Hi, welcome to Answers Q. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more updates about free online courses, course answers, and internships. Hi friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be seeing some free certificate courses available for GST, that is Goods and Service Tax. We'll be seeing two different courses in two different platforms. First one is GST in 90 minutes. This is offered by ICT Academy in TCS Ion Digital Learning Hub. So I have already uploaded a video on TCS Ion Digital Learning Hub. I have explained everything about TCS Ion Learning Hub in that. I'll put the video link in description. Click on that and check the courses that are available for free in TCS Ion Digital Learning Hub. Okay, now let's come back to this one, GST in 90 minutes. As I said, this is a free certificate course. You can click on subscribe and enroll in this course and start learning for free. And the duration of this course is 1.5 hours and the language of instruction is English, and it's a self-paced one. You can complete whenever you want. And what we'll be learning in this one, so GST basics and the impact and implications of GST, the key factors of the new law, why India needs this legislation. These are the things you'll be learning in this course. And here is a brief description about this course. You can look into it. And who would be benefited by taking this course? CXOs, that is Chief Experience Officer, Chartered Accountants, tax practitioners, legal consultants, indirect taxation consultants, CAs working for corporates, businessmen, B school teachers and students, CA aspirants. So apart from this, even if you are interested about GST, you can take this course. And here is the sample certificate. This is how your certificate will look like. Your name will come here in the place of participant, and here you will get a unique code for your certificate, C number, that is certificate number, that will be used to verify your certificate. Now let's move on to the next part, that is course syllabus. So here is the course syllabus. There are totally 11 modules for this course. Introduction, what does history say, what are the taxes that GST access, what are the tax points, how technology will be greater enabler, and what are the benefits of GST, impact and implications, voice of caution, closing thoughts. So these are the 11 modules for this course, and the prerequisite for this course is just basic knowledge of the English language. And now let's see the frequently asked questions for this course. Is there any prerequisite? Okay, we have already seen that. What is the validity of this course? Once subscribed to this course, learners will have 30 days to complete the course. That is, after enrolling the course, you have to complete the course and receive your certificate before 30 days from the date of enrollment. Okay, next question is, how much time do I have to spend on this one? We have already seen that. Is there any assessment exam? Okay, no, there isn't any exam associated with this course. You can just complete the videos and receive your certificate. Do I get a certificate? Yes, you'll get a certificate. Okay, this is the first course, GST in 90 minutes. Let's move on to the next one now. Goods and Service Tax, a game changer. This is offered by Apna Course platform. It's an online learning platform. Now let's see the details about this course. And this course has 6 lecture topics and more than 2 hours of video lectures are available. You will be given access to interactive discussion forum and you'll receive a course completion certificate. And here is the online training details. 180 days access will be given to HT video lecture delivered by industry experts. So after enrolling in the course, please do complete it before 180 days. That is around 6 months. I think it's more than enough. And here you can see INR 0, that is, it's available for 0 price. You can click on enroll now and start learning for free. And here is the course curriculum. GST, a game changer, readiness and way forward, features of the GST, gist of the GST, requirements or preparedness, points to ponder, mobile-based services. And you have to take a final exam in this course to receive your certificate. And who can take this course? Anyone who wants to understand the aspects of GST can take this one. Here are the reviews of this course. You can look into it. And this is the second course, Goods and Service Tax GST, a game changer. I'll put the link of both the courses in video description. Use the link and enroll in these courses for free if you are interested in learning about GST, that is Goods and Service Tax. One more thing is, before enrolling in these courses, just make sure you have an account in both these platforms. And if you don't have one, just click on the sign up here in Apna Course, and then TCS Ion, you can see here login. Just click on it and create an account if you don't have one. And if you already have an account in these platforms, you can just log into your account and enroll in this course for free and start learning for free. And you can also receive your certificate after completing these courses for free of cost. Okay, this is the content for this video. To get more information about free online courses, course answers and internships, press the subscribe button and the bell icon. You can also connect with us on social media. I have given all our social media like Twitter, Tumblr, Facebook, Instagram, and Telegram. All the links are available in video description. Check it out. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you need anything, and share this video with your friends. And thank you so much for watching this video.